Oh, hi there, everyone. Welcome to Wimmskitchen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I am your girl Norlene with another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. So come along with me in the kitchen where I will be doing for you another authentic Jamaican cuisine. So family and friends, I'm back again in the kitchen sharing another Jamaican dish with you. It's a vegan dish. I learned it from my mom, and guys, just stay tuned to the end. In the meantime, while chopping the pumpkin, I will share with you the food for thought. It comes to us from Ephesians 5 verses 15 and 16. It says, "Be very careful then how we live, not as unwise but as wise, making the most of every opportunity because the days are I trust evil." Family and friends that we will be like the wise. If you have not subscribed to my channel, people do so because this one promises to be good. So the ingredients are a kilogram of pumpkin, 2 cloves of garlic, half-inch ginger, 2 Roma tomatoes, quarter red and green bell pepper, 1 onion chopped, half onion ring, 2 tablespoons curry powdered seasoning and dried herbs, 1 cup pumpkin stock, green seasoning, and a tablespoon of butter. Now guys, remember to share my channel with your friends. So people, we're gonna jump right into it. In a deep Dutch pot, I've added 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil. To that, I've added the ginger and the garlic. I will stir this in to activate the flavors. Then I add onions and then saute it. To that, guys, I will add the curry powder and I will stir this until the curry powder has darkened, not burned. Guys, I'm gonna add to that the coconut milk and about half cup of water. Stir, cover it to cook for about 10 minutes. If you are new to my channel, please press that subscribe button. Turn on your notification so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. Remember to give me some thumbs up, like my video, and when this video is over, share my channel with your friends. Please follow me on other social media sites at Wimmskitchen and like my Facebook page at Walking in My Mother's Shoe. So guys, after 10 minutes, this is what the curry sauce looks like. It has been reduced, and so guys, it's time to add the other ingredients. So guys, I will add the chopped tomatoes and the chopped pumpkins, and I will stir this in. Now people may know I enjoy the video so far and you're intrigued about this recipe, so do what you're supposed to do. Hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you have not done so. So guys, I'm gonna add to that a cup of pumpkin stock. This are the Grace pumpkin noodle soup. Now for all my non-Jamaican friends, I'll drop a link in the description box with the chicken noodle, or if you have vegetable bouillon, you can just dissolve it and use it instead. It will do the trick. Family and friends, I am encouraged to tell somebody that the Lord will watch over you. He will let no harm come nigh you. He will keep you in your going out and coming in. No people may wanna see what going on the what. Now it's time to nice up the pot. So guys, I will add the green blended seasoning. I'm gonna stir that in, guys, and then I will add some dried garlic and parsley, about a teaspoon. But I measure this really about a teaspoon of steak seasoning. I'm gonna add some all-purpose. I'm gonna add to that some black pepper, people. I'm gonna stir that in, put in my ring onion, added the bell pepper, both green and red bell pepper. We're gonna put in some fresh tomato in this, people. We're gonna stir it up. Add about a tablespoon of butter. Cover this and make it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. If you are celebrating a birthday or an anniversary, happy birthday from Wimmskitchen and congratulations to you. I hope for you an extra special awesome day. Now people, you know when your pot ready, when the sauce start make a whistling sound, so it's all done. There it is, people. It looks good, it smells good, and I can't wait to dig in. This is served with white rice and avocado slices. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my kitchen, my pot. onto my daughter's table. Guys, see there, I'm glad I got a chance to do this and share this with you. See there, serve with some fluffy white rice, some fresh avocado slices. Now guys, I know some of my friends are on a no rice diet, and some people, I have served this also with spaghetti. See there, and 2 slices of air fried chicken breast. This is awesome. Thank you for coming along with me in the kitchen, where I did for you today cooking Jamaican style. Before you go, remember, subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. If you are my regular subscriber, thank you wholeheartedly. And remember, give me some thumbs up, like my video, share your comment in the comment section. Let's have a discussion about this video or suggest other Jamaican meals that you would like to see me prepare. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you for coming along with me on this, my cooking experience.